Hey friends, it's Kara here with Kinsley's Creative Palette and Club Create-A-Kit. And I wanted to jump on and go live tonight and just say, I hope y'all are all having a great weekend. Amy and I don't usually do lives on the weekend, and especially not this late at night, but it was a crazy busy Saturday at our house, and I'm just now getting around to it. So I wanted to tell y'all a little bit more about Club Create-A-Kit, but I also wanted to tell you that we just released a brand new bonus. I'm going to show that on the screen. Okay, so if you have been around since the very, very, very beginning, you will know that this bundle was a bonus when we first launched. And friends, everybody loved this bonus. And so when we reopened the last couple of times, people have asked us like, hey, will you bring this bonus back? And so we decided to give it to all of our current members. It's already in your email. I've already sent it out to you. Go check. It says additional bonus or surprise. And we are giving it to everyone who signs up before tomorrow night at midnight. So in addition to this bonus that you already get for signing up, so you'll actually get another bonus. You'll get this one and this one just for signing up before midnight tomorrow night. So a few things about Club Create-A-Kit. This kit is for people who own a laser, who cut their own wood, and who would like to make that a monthly subscription box. So this is for people that want the marketing material, you want the social media post, you want the wood files already done for you so that all you have to do is cut and ship to your customers. You want a supply list so you know where to buy everything, and you just want to use your laser, cut, and start paying off that investment if you have not already. So if that is something that is of interest to you, we would love to have you join us at Club Create-A-Kit. We also do monthly business trainings, which if you'll go back and watch, I believe it was on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I did an entire live and I walked you through every business training that is already in the membership. So as soon as you join, you get access to all of those trainings. And there are things like, if you don't have a website, how do you get set up to take recurring payments? Why should you use email marketing? All different trainings to help you in your business. So again, if you're just joining us, this bonus just got launched. We brought back a bonus from the very beginning. So if you missed out on that, you can get that by joining us before we close tomorrow. And that is at midnight tomorrow night. And then also this bonus is also being sent out to all new members, and existing members already have that. So again, you get a bundle that has the digital files for you to cut on your laser. It has a supply list. It has all of your social media posts so that you can go ahead and schedule those out and start selling your boxes. It also includes a sneak peek for your current customers to see just a little preview of what's coming in their next box. So we're always working ahead, and we're always trying to help you keep your customers and entice them with the new, whatever's coming in their next box. So we take all the guesswork out of it. We even provide you with business trainings, and we're there to answer questions for you. So again, before tomorrow night at midnight, you can get both of these bonuses. This one is the one that we brought back, and it is actually little tags that you could put on like your bridesmaids' gifts if you were giving them all like maybe a little tote bag to carry all their stuff in. But it has maid of honor, mother of the bride, mother of the groom, bridesmaid, bride. I mean, it has all different. I think it even has like junior bridesmaid, so that all of those sweet ladies could feel special. So this is a great file to market to your customers as a way to make their wedding party feel special. So it's just another way for you to use the club to help pay off your laser. The other bonus that you get is this one, which is a super sweet little, it looks like a little bag, a little gift bag that has 3 interchangeable ornament pieces on the front. And it kind of matches this month's bundle, which is a Halloween. Let me see if I can pull that one up. So this is already loaded in the membership. It's a sweet little Halloween bundle. And then one more thing is we also allow you to purchase past files that are exclusive to the membership if you are a current member. So I'm going to show you just a few of those before I jump off. So this was last month's file. So you would be able to purchase that file, as well as we had this sweet little back to school. And you could change the words. You could even put a teacher's name on there if you wanted to. We have this little tic-tac-toe board for 4th of July. We have this sweet little summer sign. So these are just a few of the signs and bundle kits that we have used in the past. So every month on the first of the month, you get an email that has your new bundle. The link never expires. You have that. You have access to that file forever. And you get that new bundle on the first of the month. We recommend that you jump on as soon as you get it, schedule your social media post, take about an hour to plan out that box, and then get going, start selling and start cutting and start shipping. So if you have any questions, let me see, I can't see the comments. So if you have any questions, leave them below and Amy or I will jump in the comments and answer. We hope you had a great Saturday, and mine was filled with lots of like chores and errands and laundry. What was yours filled with? So anyway, I hope y'all have a great one, and I will see y'all later. Bye, friends. Hope to see you on the inside of Club Create-A-Kit. Just go to clubcreateakit.com. $20 a month, you get all of that.